I would like to tell you two things. Firstly, at and secondly, in. Because yesterday I was reading the difference between at and in. Okay,
Yeah.
so I had one sentence yesterday, which is I am good in English and I am good at English. So, what is the difference between at and in?
So I think the perfect word is in. I am good in English.
No, no. If you are studying in any college and you are good in English, then you can use I am good in English. So I have faced a lot of sentences. That's why I went on Google.
Okay.
Then I have searched a lot. Then I found that sentence. I found that differences. So we can use at for doing some actions, but
Okay.
if you are reading or studying any kind of book, then you can use I am good in English, I am good in history, I am good in physics. But
Yeah.
if you are good at swimming, if you are good at singing, so you can use I am good at singing, I am good at swimming. So
So,
did you get my
okay. So
point?
yeah, but my question was we use at in that sentences. Why we can't use in?
Because it is our grammar rule. I teach my student English grammar, so this is our grammar rule. If we are good in subjective knowledge, so we can use in, but we are good in actions, so we
Okay.
can use at. And sometimes we asked from people in which things
Okay.
you are good at, and in which things you are bad at. So we use you are good at, we use you are bad at, good at, bad at. So we
Yeah.
are
Yeah.
asking for actions, we are asking for verbs. So
Okay.
if we are talking about verbs, so we can use at. If we are talking about subjects and subjective knowledge, so we can use in.
In. Okay. Okay.